welcome back to another video. I'm up at the dirt jumps. This is the local winter dirt jump spot down here in Cornwall. It's real sandy material because it's actually an old mine spill off, so it actually works epic for in the winter. But the main news is I have a new dirt jump bike. Well, dirt jump frame, should I say. I've changed all my parts over from my old bike onto the new bike, and it is sick. But yeah, let's jump straight into me building that beast up. I headed down to Woody's bike park and used their cabin to build the bike up because it looked epic down there. So yeah, straight into build laps. Let's do this. Give you a full little run through the bike. Got Kenda 360 Pros on the back, nice slick tyre, perfect for just a rear trailing tyre. Profile Elite hub, FSA 160mm rotor. That is a Avid cable road caliper. We have got the Kenda pedals, which are one of my favourite things about this bike. They are such good pedals. Never really had any issues with them at all. They are bomb-proof. The FSA gradient cranks, obviously my old sponsor, but still got all their parts, so there's no point in me really changing anything out. Got a gusset seat post, and I've got a Market demolition seat. Found that one in the shed from the old BMX days. Pretty sweet. And we've got Tidal gyro, the G1 gyro. Thing that's a bit odd is I need a little bit more spacing, so I had to use a normal BMX plate. It's a little bit of a dodgy angle, so I need to hopefully get that replaced and sorted out very shortly. Odi Grips, long necks, flangeless. Love these things. Then another Profile Elite front hub with a Kenda Booster Pro tyre up front. What else have we got? That's probably about it really. That is the kind of gist of the whole bike. Obviously the Suntour forks, which I'm probably going to replace very soon because I've got a new order of forks coming in very soon, so they might get a change up and a freshen up. Apart from that, it's pretty dull. They're pretty simple dirt jump bikes, so yeah, not really much to talk about. And then it's the AirDrop Fade frame. Stoked. Right, let's go for a little lap. So nice on a dirt jump bike again. Haven't really ridden one properly since like Rotorua. Kind of been a bit lax on the old dirt jump bike. I think this thing's super nice though. Feels pretty dialed. It's a little bit hard going. It's a little bit hard to clear these jumps because the weather's not the best, and they are looking a bit dodgy, these jumps at the minute. But hopefully I can try and ride and do a few laps to get used to the bike a bit. Whew. Tired. Let's get another lap in. Let's set up another camera so you can see it riding, so then we're just POV stuff. Feels good though. Good to get back out on the bike again. You can see how soft it is up here at the minute, just by looking at the tracks. Like you put a footprint in and it's just squidgy, just a bit slow up here. I mean, like the tyre track, just from me riding the last few laps, it's all a bit soft underfoot. We have had a lot of rain in the last few days and weeks, and I know that I couldn't find any tools, and I forgot to bring my tools, which is such a rookie mistake going to the trails. So I couldn't even fix any of the roads. Like this landing needs a full reshape, like I'm just blowing through it. Sorry locals, I will come and fix them at some point. I'll come digging for a day, repay for breaking your jumps. Not really breaking them, just using them. Just a little bit, need a little bit of love, I think. One thing is, it's really hot, so I'm gonna whip this hoodie off and get some more laps in. The new DHarco technical tees. Long sleeves, pretty steezy, all black. Nowhere to go buy one. I'm going to go a slightly different route. Do the same step up, step down, but I'm going to go right over a roller, and this makes the third jump really even more of a hit. So it could be quite sick. Yeah, let's try that line. Wow, it's windy. Oh, top's trying to kill me. It's really windy. Look how much I'm waving here. I have to call it quits. I don't want to get hurt. Cool to get out and have a little test on this bike. And let's head to the next one. Cheers for watching. Peace.